No. Yeah, yeah. No.
So we jumping right into the video. It's a Cook With Me July 5th, 2022. Just like the little fish y'all see on the screen here, we're making tilapia fish stew. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead and chopping up all the red bell peppers, the red onion, the yellow onion, scotch bonnet. I think I chopped up some garlic I had left over. In the next clip, y'all gonna see me take the seeds off of the red bell pepper because I have been growing, regrowing with the seeds that I get with the fruits and veggies that I purchased from the store. So I was just going ahead and just showing you guys how I put them on a napkin so that I can save them for later. And they have been growing very nicely in my windowsill, so they do actually work. Y'all excuse the knocking at the door. My baby just came and knocked on the door. Now I went ahead and put everything inside. You saw me add some chicken broth there, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend. Does take a minute for it to blend, so I may add some more chicken broth or water if needed. I did go ahead and add another red bell pepper I see here. So we're just gonna blend until smooth. You definitely want your jollof rice, not jollof rice, y'all, I'm so used to making jollof rice, I meant to say fish stew sauce smooth as well, just like your jollof rice. I'm chopping up some onion here to just go ahead and fry with. Right now you're gonna go ahead and see me be ghetto. I added a little bit of vegetable oil inside the little bottle of palm oil because I didn't have enough. Afterwards, you're gonna see me go ahead and test the heat and add the diced white onion. Go ahead and combine that, as you see here. Let that fry for a couple minutes, and I went ahead and dropped that pepper sauce inside that pepper mixture you saw that was in the blender. I let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is how it looks after a while. Go ahead and season it with salt and Maggi. You don't want to do curry or anything else to this because it is just a normal fish stew. So all those other seasonings are not necessary. Just salt, Maggi. You could add a little bit of crayfish. I think I added crayfish as well. Yeah, I did go ahead and add some crayfish, give it a more fishier taste. Go ahead and combine that. Let that cook. Taste for it. Add as needed. Add salt or Maggi or more crayfish if needed. Off camera, I did go ahead and prepare my fish. I cleaned it, descaled it, and soaked it in like a marinade. So you're gonna go ahead and see me just adding my tilapia fish in here. This is about 2 tilapia fish, and then I just go ahead and make sure I cover the tilapia fish with the sauce. Add a little bit more water. You don't want to make it too watery because it will not be a stew. It'll be more like a soup. So I just added a little bit of water, making sure that the sauce gets mixed up with the fish. Right now I'm showing you guys all my seeds. I had watermelon seed, pepper seed, and some other seeds. To eat the fish stew, we're going to be eating plantain, so I'm going ahead and slicing up the plantain here, showing you guys the stew cooking now. You guys see the sauce is all well combined with it. I'm going to go ahead and add my plantain into the fryer. We bought this fryer actually from Walmart for like 60 bucks or 70 bucks. Great fryer. I love that you can take it out, drain the oil. You can wash it. You can wash everything except for the electrical parts, of course. But I love that you can wash it and change the grease out because we do use the grease a lot. We mainly do like french fries or plantain. But once I do anything like meat or fish, I go ahead and take it out. Y'all see the plantain fryer. Once it's ready, you just let it drain on the side there as you see me doing, and I'll go ahead and put them on a paper towel. And that's what we have for dinner, guys. Sometimes I do have to flip them over because they don't always fry evenly, but that night, yeah, we had white rice with tilapia fish stew and plantain. And I don't think I got a picture of the end result, but if y'all like this video, stay tuned. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love to interact with y'all in the comment, and I thank y'all for the support. And y'all have a blessed day. Bye, y'all.